Introducing the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.